What's going on?
Hey, stop giving certain people your hope for the future energy. Chosen ones, y'all need to stop giving certain people out there your hope for the future energy. Oh, what's the hope for the future energy, C. Nasty? Tell us. Your hope for the future energy is basically the divine source energy inside of you that you use to create your future. You use to manifest the desires that you have inside of your heart, the goals you want to accomplish. And certain people out here, they are here to siphon that off from you, literally. And I'm dead serious. Some of your best friends, some of your jobs, some of your bosses, some of your family members, some of your girlfriends, boyfriends, husbands, some of your children, they are here to literally siphon off your hope for the future energy. And how does that happen? How does that happen, C. Nash? It sounds like some type of black magic, witchcraft. I'll tell you exactly how it happens right now. Like I said, you have this divine energy to see your future and to bring it to reality. If you have a vision, you have a vision of the future, and you can bring it to reality. Feel me? In the Bible, they say it, where there is no vision, people will perish. And listen, if you're there with somebody who doesn't need to be in your vicinity, and like I said, you're giving them you have them in your head and in the future plans that you are supposed to have with you and God and whatever tribe he aligns you with on your journey. That's who it's really supposed to be with. But you have a look on the vision with the Decepticon, with the damn demon in disguise, with the damn LTSO, the less than smart one, right next to you, just siphoning off that hope for the future energy, you know? It leads into almost destiny swapping, but that's another video, feel me? That's a whole nother video. But listen, the message in this video was literally just stop giving certain people, and you know who they are, or you know what place this is, you know what thing this is, stop giving it